Good people, sanibonani. Umakeba lo. Today we are here. We're doing this video for grade 10. Remember this paper that we're doing, or this part of a question is from November 2019 for grade 10 people. Now let's get into it. An open now type of questions, the statement are very important. An open rectangular cardboard box has the following dimensions. Now the length is 25 centimeter, so this is my length, which is 25 centimeter, and the breadth is 15 centimeter. This is my breadth is 15 centimeters, and my height, which is this height here, is going to be x. Now, from there, they are saying now the volume of the box is this 3,000 centimeter cubed. And the 15 identical cans of the cold drink fits snugly into the box. So these things that you are seeing in the top are the tops of the cold drinks that are here inside the box. So these are the 50 cold drinks. Then the box and the cans are equal, or are the equal height. So the height of this box is the same cans that are inside here in this box. So that is very important. And then now they're saying ignore the thickness of the cardboard in your calculations. Now 6.1, now they're saying calculate the height of the box. So first thing they gave us the volume. So how do you calculate now the volume of the box is the length times breadth and then times height. Remember, we do have the volume, which is 3,000 equals to my length. We do have my length as 25, so it's 25 times my breadth, which is 15, and then times and height that I'm looking the height that we're looking for. Now to get a height, we're going to divide by this 25 times 15, and then 25 times 15 to my height is going to be this 3,000 times whatever that I have in my denominator, which is going to give me the height of 8 centimeter. So which is my x. I needed to substitute this as x. Let me just do it now so that we are all on the same page. So my x, my height is x, and also here my height is x. So this is x. And now from there, let's move forward. Now 6.2, they're saying let's calculate the radius of the can. Now remember the length that I have here, it's 15, and in each row, I hope you can see they go in threes, three. So in order for me to find the radius, first I need to find my diameter. So my diameter is 15 of this length divided by the rows. Now you see the rows are going to 3, so we're going to divide by 3. And then to find the diameter of each can, it's going to be now 15 divided by 3, it's going to give me 5. Now the diameter of each can here is 5. Now finding the radius, now the radius is these 5, so it's going to be these 5 divided by 2, which is going to be 2 comma 5. So that's the radius of this can. So everything is in centimeters and then centimeters. Now 6.3 is saying now if a can is filled to the top, calculate the volume of the cold drink container in a can. Now remember the cans, they look like more or less a cylinder. So if I can draw it here, this is more or less the can, how the cans are looking at. So now we need to calculate the volume of sort of this cylinder. So how do we calculate the volume? So the volume of a cylinder is pi r squared times height. Now remember the height is the same or is equal with the box. So we do have the height of the can, which is going to be this x, that x which was 8. So the volume now it's pi Remember, we do have r is 2, 5 squared, and then my height is 8 that I have here, which is 8, and then the answer from here, punch your calculator, I'm going to get 157,08 centimeter cubed. Very important to write the unit, guys. Make sure you don't forget. Now, calculate the volume of the space in between all the cans that are in the box. So we're calculating the volume of the space. Now we need to get, we do have the volume that is in a box. So meaning how many cans we have here? We have 15 cans. So we need to minus all the volume of these cans that are here. So how do we get that one? So now we're gonna say the volume remaining. So we're gonna say the volume remaining in a box is going to be equals to the volume of the box minus the volume of the 15 cans, because we need to minus all the volume that are in these cans. So what is the volume of the box? Remember, they gave us that it's what? It's 3,000. And minus now the volume of the 15 cans. So this is the volume of each can. So how many cans do we have? We have 15 of them. So it's going to be 15 times this volume, which is 157,08. And then from here, if you punch in a calculator, the answer that we're going to get here is going to be 643,80 centimeter cubed. So this is the remaining volume if we minus every cans that are inside that box. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Umakebalo.